People with a 12th gen F150. I'm about to show y'all this tailgate assist. I mean, it's super cheap. And I'm also going to put a link in this thing. So when you click the link, you get 10% off. And then if you look under that link, I'm going to give you a code that gives you another 10% off. I'm not joking. All the thing you got to do is click, click, click. But let me show you this thing, man. It's pretty simple. So you got a hydraulic rod, you got a little bracket, and a rivet nut. And it comes with the tools for installing that thing. What? Let's get this thing let's get it on. Let's get the truck. Yeah. We're going to put it on the red truck. Why not? Let's get this thing started. Now, since we got this thing here, I'm about to get rid of that. Right now. Because that's the kind of heavy tailgate, man. That's not expected. If you ain't ready for that, it'll surprise you. So, we got to get this off first. This right here. Take that off, pull that bolt out. Next step. All right. So I wasn't right. It don't come with all the tools. It just comes with the Allen wrench for this piece. So you're going to need a 12 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, and a T50. T50 for here, 10 millimeter, and then the 12 millimeter. And I got a pick just to pull this little piece so you can, you know what I'm saying? So you can get that off easier. I'm going to do this. And once you got that off with your pick, you just take your wrench, ratchet, whatever you want to call it, and you just not strip that out. You know, just don't strip it out. Get it out all the way though. Comes out pretty easy when you get it started. Taking it off, so bam. Then you put that in there like this here, and then swap hands. Put that in there like that. Tighten her on down, right? Dude, there's the first bracket. You're done. All right, now we got to put the rivet nut piece in. This is how you're going to have it set up. The long bolt, the nut, washer, the ball bearings, another washer, and then screw this on until it's right to the end. You're going to put that in, hold this with the Allen wrench, and then turn this with your 10 millimeter. And don't over tighten it. I'm going to get you, I don't know, a guesstimate of how many turns here in just a minute. All right, went in pretty smooth. Only note that I can give you is whenever you start turning it, it'll feel like it'll get easy. And then as soon as you feel like it's starting to get snug, stop. That's good enough. Then you take your bad boy here, screw her on in, just like so. Take your 12 millimeter and give her a little, yeah, that's good enough. Then you take your rod. Which side we want? Yep. Chrome side down. So we're gonna go. We're gonna pull. Pull more. Make sure that's tight all the way. You're done. Just like that. And of course, don't forget your cable. But let me show you how this thing works. Yeah, Paw style. And don't forget to use that link in that promo code. Save you some pretty good money. Until next time, let's find some more parts to put on.